u naught. So there's a charge q and there's a mass. There's an electrostatic field. Now, what do you expect this? This should be a parabolic path. We know that it will be it's going to experience an electrostatic force QE, and because of that, it's going to describe a parabolic path. And when it is entering here, and the electric field is present throughout. Here also electric field is present. Here also electric field is present. The magnetic field is present only in this region. So let me indicate, so that it will be easy for you to judge what is the problem here. And the gravity is present here. Okay, there's a B naught. Hope you are able to understand. This is what that line AB. Here we have brought that coordinate system, X, Y coordinates. So it will be easy for us, that one. So how do it enter? It will enter with a certain angle. So by the time it enters, it will have X component of velocity and Y component. Why not only X component of velocity? I think because of the, it was projected with the velocity along Y axis, u naught. Let's assume that. Then because of electrostatic field, it will get accelerated. So by the time it crosses the line AB, it will acquire an horizontal component of velocity Vx. Now, under action of gravity, magnetic field, and electric field, it has to move in a straight line. It has to move in a straight line means how it should move now. It's going to move a straight line path. After that, the charged particle is going to move in a straight line path. This is a straight line path. For that to happen, for it to move in a straight line path, the net force along X, along Y should be 0. Okay, let's focus more on this particular thing, that one. So what are the various forces that are acting, that are going to act? Mg, electrostatic force, Fe. Then who will balance Mg? Component of magnetic force only. So then let's get into magnetic field. It will have both X and Y component, no? So due to X component of velocity, okay, B bar Vx. So there'll be a force in this direction. Fby, I'll write it. Please, all of you make observation, take Fleming's left hand rule. Then due to B bar and velocity. So here we'll get one more force. I'll take some other colors. Look at these two magnetic forces. I'll highlight it. At least you are able to notice here. Who will balance Mg? This Y component of magnetic force. Who will balance electrostatic force? The X component of magnetic force. So what is Fbx? I think our problem will be solved if we are able to think this much is equal to Fe. So what is Fbx? Fbx should be equal to Q Vy into B. B naught. This is the one equation. Similarly, who will balance the weight? If I write minus sign equal to 0, there'll be more justified, no? Then Fby minus Mg equals 0. Fby equal to Q Vx Vx. So this angle should be theta. We don't know. And when it comes here, it will have some velocity, say V. What is Vy is equal to Vy equal to V sine theta? What is Vx equal to V cos theta? Then what is a given thing? Look at this. Take help of it. All of you look at this part. Q E equal to mg, no? So equation, there's the equation 1, there's the equation 2. Given Q equal to mg. So based on that, I'll equate this one 192. How much will get sine theta? Theta will be 45 degrees. So theta equal 45 degree means, what does it mean? But what was our question? The speed of projection we have to find out. Only there's a thing, no? Nothing. Okay, the one thing I think I have to, regarding G, nothing given, no? So that we have to, I think, take it everywhere. Even I'm too getting confused. G equal to 9.8 is telling, so we have to take it. If he's there only on the right side of AB, okay, they would have mentioned. Okay, we'll do one thing. G, I'll put on either side of AB. Because nothing is mentioned means we have to take on either side. If he has mentioned specifically the G is present only on the right side of AB, we could have assumed it. Okay, clear, no problem. Then what was our, we have to calculate this U naught. That was only our purpose. How to bring that U naught, we have to trace. So one thing we came to know that Vy equal to Vx it is. Okay, let's get into the next part of the discussion. Vy is equal to U naught minus G. Okay, time taken to reach here. T will write it. What is Vy equal to? V sine theta. We can assume it to be V sine theta. V sine theta. What about Vx? Vx is equal to acceleration QEM into T. So Vx equal to V cos theta. Hope I think we can now get into the very easily. Theta we know 45 degrees. T naught. Okay, I'll put it T naught. Lot of symbols are there. Okay, T naught I introduced. Okay, let's get into this one. Theta equal 45 degrees. Theta if 30, okay, we could have done that. So theta equal 30 degrees. So theta equal to as 45 degrees. So therefore, equating these two, theta equal to 45 degrees. So therefore, equating these two, GT naught equal to QE by M T naught. QE by M will become equal to G. This is very important. I think twice I changed conditions, but I think we have to be very extra careful regarding the gravity. These are very popular. Check the advanced paper, motion of charge particle in electric and magnetic fields. Where any processor can make any of the problem here. So I suggest students better to learn the methodology to solve such problems. Okay, because of that, we are equating these things. Let me take the next question. I'm just presenting few. You have to really put effort in analyzing all such numericals. Now, before this, we'll take this one.